On the Olymp Trade platform, we start by selecting the 10-second candle time frame, and at this point we only have the ZigZag indicator attached to our chart, with a depth of 10 and a deviation of 5. Next, we open the PipGems AI Scanner app and make sure all settings match what we have on the Olymp Trade platform. We set the candle type to Heiken Ashi, with a candle time frame of 10 seconds, a target trade duration of 1 minute, a zigzag depth of 10, and a deviation of 5%. Now let's scan the market chart. We're using ShareX screen capture to scan the chart. You can also use Snippet or other tools. But you can also use your phone to capture the trading chart on your PC or laptop, and a full tutorial on how to install and set up ShareX is linked in the description below. As we can see, the AI has returned a call prediction, and the key observation is clear and makes it easy to identify where the trend is heading. Let's go ahead and trade up on this. The zigzag indicator extends its line, the trend moves upward, and we get a clean winning trade. Let's scan another chart. We scan the chart and upload it directly to the AI scanner, and the analysis comes back with a put prediction at medium confidence. The key observation is that the zigzag suggests price has reached a peak and is likely to reverse downward, while the Heiken Ashi candles are also showing signs of exhaustion at the top. It's a 50-50 situation, but we lean into the downtrend signal, and it pays off with a winning trade. Let's try another currency pair. We move on to GBP/USD, scan the chart, and upload it to the PipGems AI Scanner. The AI analyzes the market and generates a put signal. Let's don't hesitate and trade directly going down. The trade moves down, and we get another clean winning trade. Keep watching the rest of the video, and don't forget to follow us for the latest trading strategies using Olymp Trade and other brokers. We have another put signal from the AI analysis, so we trade going down. You can also add up another trading indicator combined with the AI analysis. It's up to you, and this method is perfect who wants to trade with confidence. And that results in another solid winning trade. Here's yet another downward AI signal, so we take the trade. Unfortunately, we lose this one, but this is actually a great opportunity to improve our setup by adding a second indicator for stronger confirmation. We'll add the EMA, or exponential moving average, to work alongside the zigzag, changing the zigzag color to purple and keeping the EMA as a yellow line so both are easy to distinguish on the chart. We then update the PipGems AI Scanner settings to reflect the same chart setup, EMA 20 in yellow and zigzag in purple. We scan and upload the updated chart. Our AI is analyzing, waiting to perform its action. And the AI comes back with a call signal. Then let's go trade with it.